Nandito ako sa second na pangalawang model ng kitchen model. So, ayan, is another model of the kitchen. But this is the studio type of the kitchen, and we have the refrigerator and the oven next to each other. Look, this is going to the toilet area and the shower room in there, and this is the countertop, and this is the kitchen, and this is the stove, and this induction, the grill in the middle. Look, and this drawer. Look, the drawer there. This is the model. And chopping board, and then the sink in the other side, and all there's the cabinets in there. Then I have to go to, this is for going to the room. This is the model, and this is the shower room. Look, the shower room there, and the toilet. On other side is the bedroom. This is the model of studio type flat. This is the built-in as well. Look, this is the fridge. This is the breakfast table here. Nice, the breakfast table. This is the model here. And then once the sofa here, sofa for the customer.